You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 86, creating report for time to close after resolution, which is breast of incident. Let's move ahead and perform this lab. To perform this lab, we need to log in using your primary account. So here if you see, I am logged in using my primary account. We'll click on top left corner, this 4 blocks, click on Jira Service Management. We'll click on NetSoft IT Service Management, and then we'll scroll down and we'll click on Reports. Click on top right corner, create new report, and we are going to give the name Breached Resolution Incident. Click on Add Series and we'll look for time to close after resolution breached. We'll give the name as Breached Incident. This time we are going to select this. Make sure that basic is selected under filter by. Click on add. So we have 0 breached incident. Click on create. Click on report, and here click on refresh once. You will see breached resolution incident. This is the report that we have created. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.